Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add emojis in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, you have to make sure that your Adobe Premiere is up to date. You can go to the Creative Cloud app and update to the latest version of Adobe Premiere. After that, you can go and select the type tool, click on your preview video, and for Mac, the shortcut is Control-Command-Spacebar to open up the emoji selection keyboard. And for Windows, the shortcut is the Windows key and period. Now my Premiere Pro is not updated to the latest version, so it does not show up on mine. But on Windows, it will only have a black and white version of the emoji. So to solve that, we can go to a website called emoji.aranja.com. So open up any browser you have and go to the site emoji.aranja.com. You can then select any emojis from here. Simply click on download and you can then use that on your project to use an emoji for your video project. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.